Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you and show you how you gonna remove these people and the grounds and leave only the trees with this cloud backgrounds. I'm gonna work on this image today. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it now and like it please. Now I'm gonna open my image first. My image is located in here, this one. I'm gonna work with this image. What you have to do first is to remove this one. I'm gonna use the lasso tool and I'm gonna select the images which I'm gonna remove it. Yeah, I have to remove this one and fill with the clouds. So what you do, you go to edit and fill it with, make sure your content should be the content aware. When you choose the content aware, it will fill up with all the clouds and have a look. Okay, it is working on it. Give us few minutes. Yeah, have a look. The selected images has been replaced by with the contents, and to deselect this one I have used the Ctrl D. This is how you're gonna change the unwanted image and remove it by whatever you want it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like it.